The importance of mangrove forests for the environment. Mangrove forests are a group of trees that grow in areas around the coastline which are influenced by the ebb and flow of seawater and are located in places that experience accumulation of organic material and mud, such as in Misool, Raja Ampat, Papua in this video. Mangrove forests, which are also commonly known as mangrove forests, are a unique ecosystem because of the cyclical activity of inundation by sea tides. In this habitat, only mangrove trees are able to survive due to the evolutionary and adaptation processes that mangrove plants have gone through. Mangrove forests have enormous functions for our environment, namely one, as plants that are able to withstand seawater currents that erode coastal land. In other words, mangrove plants are able to withstand seawater so that it does not erode the land on the coastline. 2. Like other plant functions, mangroves also have the function of absorbing carbon dioxide gas, CO2, and producing oxygen, O2. 3. Mangrove forests have a role as a place for various types of marine biota such as small fish to live for shelter and search for food. Apart from marine animals, mangrove forests, which are quite large in scope, often contain types of land animals in them such as birds. Of the several functions of mangrove forests that have been explained above, of course the most essential thing for our survival is the function of mangrove forests as a producer of oxygen, O2, an absorber of carbon dioxide gas, as well as preventing abrasion. Damage to mangrove forests can result in the loss of these functions. Imagine if the forest was destroyed, there was no longer anything capable of producing oxygen, O2, for us to breathe. There was no longer anything that could absorb gas, CO2, which is a poisonous gas and is dangerous for the human body, and there was no longer a strong defense that could withstand abrasion rate. Currently, the condition of mangrove forests along the coast of Indonesia is very worrying. Most of them were damaged and some of them were completely destroyed due to logging activities and so on. This will certainly have a negative impact on the sustainability of our environment. Considering the importance of mangrove forests for the sustainability of our environment, there needs to be a solution to overcome the problems that have occurred in mangrove forests. Solutions that we can do include: 1. There is a need for conservation land for mangrove forests in the context of guarding and preserving forests so that mangrove functions can be optimized as best as possible. 2. Carry out reforestation or replanting of damaged mangrove forests. In this case, there needs to be technical involvement between the government and residents in the implementation of reforestation. 3. There is a need for good spatial management of coastal areas with mangrove forests, so that they can have economic potential in terms of tourism. The profits obtained from this natural tourism can be used for mangrove conservation needs. 4. There is a need for outreach in order to understand the community about the importance of preserving mangrove forests for the environment. 5. Strict legal sanctions against anyone who damages the sustainability of mangrove forests. Environmental sustainability is very important to us. Protecting mangroves is part of real action regarding our concern for preserving nature and life. Starting from ourselves, let's protect the environment.